Hello everyone, I Ishan Sharma and you are watching my YouTube channel. Our today's topic is NDA binary numbers asked in NDA exams. So let us discuss what are binary and decimal system. First, binary number consists of only two symbols 0 and 1 are used in binary system. Okay, binary system. Okay, and while 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 and 9 is used in decimal system. Okay, okay. Now let us see an example how to convert the number or a decimal in binary. Let us take 21 as a decimal, which we are going to convert into binary code. So okay, we have to divide by 2 since its remainder not become 0. Okay, first we divide 21 by 2 by prime factorization method. 21 divided by 2 gives us 10. Okay, and the remainder becomes 1. Remainder here, remainder, and remainder becomes 1. We divide 10 by 2, we have the number 5 and remainder becomes 0, so we write there 0. Now 2 2s are 4, 1 is remainder. Okay, so we write there 1. Now 2 divides by 2, remainder 0 and quotient is 1. Now we divide 1 by 2, so 2 zeros are 0 and remainder becomes 1. Okay, from last we write to the first. Okay, like 1 0 1 0 1. Okay, so we can write it as uh, since the base and radix of 0 and 1 is 2, because only two symbols are used in binary, we can write C, है ना. And in decimal system there are 10 digits used, है ना, so its base and radix is 10. Okay, so we can write it as 21 uh, out of bracket 2 10 equal to 10101 out of bracket 2. Okay, now conversion of fractional decimal into binary code. Here we have to multiply it by 2 and round off its nearest tens digit. Okay, so first we multiply with its with the 10 digits. Okay, 10 times we have to multiply, but only after point digits, not before point. Okay, like here 276.276 we use. Okay, so 276 into 2 gives us 0.552. Now 0.552 multiplied by 2 gives us what it gives us, 1.104. Now 0.104 into 2 gives us 0.208. Now 0.208 into 2 gives us 0.416. Okay, now 0.416 into 2 gives us 0.832. Now 0.832 into 2 gives us 1.664. Okay, now 0.664 into 2 equal to 1.328. Okay, now 0.328 into 2 gives us 0.656, and last 0.656. Okay, 656 into 2 gives us 1.312. Okay, here we have to round off before decimal digits like 101010. Okay, and this is our binary code. By rounding off these digits we have 0.638 out of bracket 10 equal to 0.1010001101 out of bracket 2. Okay, we can, okay, we write this. We have 0.638 bracket 2 10 sorry equal to 0.10100100 means 0001101 our bracket 2. Okay, now we are going to start binary to decimal, conversion of binary to decimal numbers. Okay, so let me start. Okay, conversion of binary number, yeah, binary code to decimal. Okay, here let us take an example. Convert 100 or 10010 over bracket 2 into decimal. Okay, now what we have to do here, from the last, for last we have to use 0, and as the number increases we have to also increase power of 2. Okay, like if 0 is of at last, so we divide by into multiplied by 2 to the power of 0, and if it is last second then we multiply it by 2 to the power 1. We count the digits from last to first. So here we have 5 digits, so 1 into 2 to the power 4. Okay, it is clear. So 1 into 2 to the power 1 is 2, 0 plus 0, and 2 to the power 4, that is 16. Okay, 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8, and 8 to the 16. Okay, so 16 plus 2 is 18. 18 over bracket 10. So here it is 10 in place of 2. I made a mistake. So we start binary addition. Okay, there are some rules in binary additions that we are going to discuss. Okay, so let us see what are the rules. Okay, so rules are, our first rule is 0 plus 0, means when we add 0 to 0 it gives us 0. Our second rule is 0 plus 1 equal to 1. Our third rule is 1 plus 0 equal to 1. And our last rule and fourth rule is 1 plus 1 equal to 1 0. Okay, 1 0, huh? Not 10. Okay. Our last rule is often written as 1 plus 1 0 with carry of 1. Okay. 1 plus 1 equal to 0 with carry of 1. Okay. Now let us take an example. Hmm. Huh. Let us add 1 0 1 double 0 2 1 1 0 1 1. Okay, it is like our normal addition, not so much difference in that. Okay, so don't be afraid. So what is the rule? Okay, so 1 plus 0 1 1 0 1 1 0 again 1 0 1 1 and 1 plus 1 1 0. Okay, so now it can be often written as 1 0 1 0 0 over bracket 2 plus 1 1 0 1 1 over bracket 2 equal to 1 0 double 1 double 1 over bracket 2. Okay, now let us start binary subtraction. Okay, like addition, there are also 4 rules in subtraction. Okay, so let us see what are the rules. So our first rule is 0 minus 0 equal to 0. Our second rule is 1 minus 0 equal to 1. Our third rule equal to 1 minus 1 equal to 0. And our fourth rule is 10 minus 1, so or 0 minus 1 equal to 1. Okay, so let us do an example. Okay, subtract 1 double 0 0 1 from 1 double 0 double 1. Okay, so 1 minus 1 0 1 minus 0 1 0 minus 0 0 0 minus 0 again 0 and 1 minus 1 0. Okay, so it can be often written as 1 double 0 1 1 or 1 double 0 1 1. Oh, sorry. 1 double 0 double 1 over bracket 2 minus 1 double 0 0 1 over bracket 2 equal to 0 0 0 1 0 over bracket 2. Okay, now let us start binary multiplication. Multiplication has also 4 rules in that. Okay, so multiplication. So our first rule is 0 multiplied by 0 always gives us 0. Second rule is 0 multiplied by 1 often gives us 0. Our third rule is 1 multiplied by 0 is always 0. And our fourth and last rule is 1 multiplied by 1 is equal to 1. Now let us quickly solve an question to understand the multiplication method. Question: multiply 1 0 1 0 multiply by 1 1 1. Okay, so 1 0 1 0 multiplied by triple one. It is like our simple multiplication only. Okay, so 1 0 is a, what is the rule saying? 1 0 is a 1, 1 1 is a 1, 1 0 is a again 0, and 1 1 is a 1. So all three digits are same, so all products are also same, so we can write it as 1 0 1 0. Okay, so now we have to add this three terms. Okay, so 0 0 0 1 0 1 1 0 again 1, 1 plus 1 is 1 0. Okay, so 0 with carry of 1. Okay, 0 1 carry, so again 1 plus 1 means 1 0, 0 carry of 1, again 1 0. Okay, so when we multiply 1 0 1 0 with 1 1 1, then it gives us 1 double 0 0 double 1 0. Okay, now our last topic, that is binary division. It has also four rules like others. Okay, first, 1 divided by 1 gives us 1. 0 divided by 1 gives us 0, and 0 divides by 0 equal to not defined, always. Okay, not defined. And 1 divides by 0, our last rule, which is our last rule, 1 divides by 0 is always not defined. Okay, not defined. Okay, let us do our last example. Okay, divide double one by 11 o bracket 2. Okay, okay, 11. So 11 ones are 11, we all know that. So plus minus cancel हो जाएगा. What will remain? 0. So here 1 comes down. Now 11 is not divisible by 1, so we put in quotient 0, and also there also 0. Now 1 remaining 1 and other 1 comes down, so 11 ones are again 11, so plus minus becomes 0. So when we divide double one by 11, we always we get 101 by bracket 2, and that's the answer. Okay, now for today this much only. Soon we will meet with our next video and more examples about binary and other questions asked in NDA exams. Thank you and have a nice day.